Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Thinking about your retirement? A Roth IRA could be a perfect choice for you. It's a special type of individual retirement account where your money grows completely tax-free, and you won't pay any taxes when you withdraw it in retirement. That's because you contribute money you've already paid taxes on. It truly is a powerful tool for building long-term wealth, giving you financial peace of mind down the road. Before you open one, it's good to know if you're eligible. To contribute to a Roth IRA, you need to have earned income, like wages from a job. Also, there are income limitations for direct contributions each year, so make sure to review the latest IRS guidelines to see if you qualify. When you're ready, simply gather your Social Security number, your employer's information, and your bank account details. Having these handy will make the process much smoother. Ready to start? Head over to Fidelity's official website. On their homepage, you'll find an option to open an account. From there, just select Retirement and then specifically choose Roth IRA. Fidelity's platform is really user-friendly, and they'll guide you through each step. You'll input your personal details, answer a few questions, and review everything before submitting. It's designed to be a straightforward experience. Once your account is open, the next exciting step is funding it. You can easily transfer money from your existing bank account directly into your new Roth IRA. Fidelity makes this process very simple with electronic transfers. Just decide how much you want to contribute initially, always remembering the annual contribution limits set by the IRS. Getting that first deposit in is a great start to your tax-free growth journey. With your account open and funded, you're ready to choose your investments. Fidelity provides a vast selection, from low-cost index funds to various ETFs, so you can pick what fits your financial goals best. Don't forget, the power of a Roth IRA truly shines when you contribute regularly over time. By doing so, you'll harness the benefits of tax-free growth and withdrawals, securing a more comfortable financial future for yourself.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.